what is problem? सुभाष जी, मैं ना बॉलीवुड की डांसेस से कस्टम नहीं हूँ, मुझे ये सब आता नहीं है, ये क्या हो रहा है, होठ यूं करो, आँख यूं करो, ये दबाओ। मैंने बोला देखो यही बॉलीवुड डांस है, सिर्फ सरोज जी के बदन को मत देखना, उनके चेहरे को देखो और उनकी आंखों से देखो। डांस सिर्फ आंख से और स्माइल से होगा। उसके बाद इस लड़की ने हम सबको, मुझे और सरोज दोनों को परेशान किया जब हमने राम लखन बनाई और जब उठ के इसने डांस किया। वी बोथ वर शॉक्ड कि इसने कैसे इतना बड़ा सीख लिया। एंड दैट इज हर डेडिकेशन एंड पैशन एंड कमिटमेंट, दैट इज व्हाई यू कैन सी दैट शी। थैंक यू एंड आई विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट। थैंक यू। सरोज जी आप जरूर कुछ बोलिए, मेरी तारीफ कीजिए, मेरी तारीफ कीजिए।
आप तो हैं ही अच्छे, वो भी अच्छी हैं और बहुत अच्छा काम कर रही हैं। Congratulations. God bless you.
So we'll open up the floor. I wanted to make one comment to you. This is an initiative in that we want to give access to everyone to learn the passion for dance and culture. And the one thing I'm going to say to you is our goal is to keep this free for the user forever. Now you're going to say to me, how can you do that? There's no value if you have it for free. I'll ask you, have you ever been charged for Facebook? And does it work for you? So the idea is to take this to the world. All of us believe that we can build this community together, one brick by one brick, by one dance step by one dance step, and we can change the world. That's why we're here.
Okay, now you can ask your questions. आपके मुंह में घी शक्कर. Yes?
Good afternoon to all of you. This is Vijay Shankar from the media and also a classical Kuchipudi dancer.
Yes.
Did you hear me? I'm Vijay.
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah, Vijay Shankar from the media, and I'm a Kuchipudi dancer as well.
Very nice to meet you.
Yeah, I'm a great fan of yours as well.
Thank you.
The basic idea is really wonderful, reaching out maximum people through dance, because
Yes.
as you said, it gives a different type of happiness. It's only dancers can understand and not others.
Right.
You know, but just by watching dance, how much can one learn? Because you need a guru. You know, just watching, I myself have been learning, and you know, the process is always, you be a
Yes.
student all your life.
You know, the
still
process never ends.
Yeah,
When
yeah.
you're a dancer, the process never ends.
Yeah.
Even if you have a guru right in front of you telling you what to do,
Yes.
the process never ends. It has to keep growing.
Yeah.
And we do have choreographers who will take a look at the uploaded videos.
Yeah.
They will give their comments so that they can improve on those particular things.
Huh.
If they want, they can improve that and upload their videos again.
Mm.
So the process goes on.
Okay.
You know, just like in a classroom.
Yeah, that's what I wanted to know. Thank you so much.
Thank
So
you.
one other comment to make. It's a very good question that you asked. This by no means replaces an academy. In fact, what it does is it allows that academy to scale and share the knowledge base which they have. So all 4,500 institutes in India will hopefully come together under one house and basically join hands and say, we can teach everyone. The idea is to increase the passion and use dance as a metaphor for life. And so you're absolutely right that there's some things you can learn from video learning, some things you have to have a teacher to teach you physically. But the idea is this links all of that together under one roof and almost becomes a means for you to find the best teaching anywhere and bring the standards to a certain level and create something which is very different for all of us.
Okay, hi, good afternoon, Dr. Naini. This is Faridun Shariar from BollywoodHangama.com. We just saw you dancing a bit as well in the video out there. So since the time you've married Ms. Madhuri Dixit, how much have you improved as a dancer? How much have you learned from her, per se? And since you're launching it, this version 2 today, considering it is her birthday day after tomorrow, so is this your way of wishing her happy birthday?
So to the last question, absolutely. This is the biggest present she could ever have. And I want you to remember that. I could get out of trouble. To the first question, though, I've always been a fan of art and culture and movement. And I think one thing I learned along this journey, I've have to admit, I can dance, but I'm not a professional by any means, and all of these guys here put me to shame. I mean, they're so beautiful.